Hi again folks, it's Mel at Stocksbridge Guitar Tech and I'm back with the other unboxing. So this is the Glarry Telecaster that I was expecting. This arrived a day after the Strat, after I'd done that video. Now I have noticed this box has a little bit of a hole in it, just there. But hopefully the inner carton will have protected the guitar. So let's have a look at this Telecaster. Let's see what we've got. I was quite impressed with the Strat. I haven't had a chance to do any work on it yet, but I will get around to it and then we'll have another look at it and see if it's improved things any. So this one was £76, so this was about £10 more expensive than the Strat, which was £67, so this was just over 76. But to be fair, I did order these from two separate sellers. I didn't get them both from the same seller. Get rid of those. See what we've got here. Okay, so again we've got the cheap carry bag. It's not padded, but it will keep the guitar clean. Again, we've got a strap and a plectrum, cheap strap. We have a cheap guitar lead and the truss rod Allen key in there. We've also got a smaller Allen key for the saddles, which I've just found in the bottom of the box. That's obviously fallen out of that bag. Now the finish on the Strat was really good, so hopefully it will be the same here. I'm hoping this one has a slightly slimmer neck on it, but I'm betting it's the same. Well, again, at first glance, that absolutely looks drop dead gorgeous, that colour. Again, it's like an orange colour, but this one you can see all the wood grain. That is really nice. I'd be quite happy with that hung on the wall, just as a piece of wall art. The neck feels a little bit thinner on this, but not a lot. It's pretty much the same as on the Strat. It's definitely a little bit thinner. But I really like the body on this. And again, it seems to be finished really nicely. There's no obvious flaws jumping out at me. Can't see any dings again or anything like that on the neck. What I have noticed is there's nothing on the headstock of this one. It's blank, so you could put your own logo on there. So on the Strat it says Glarry on the headstock. This one doesn't have anything. which I quite like. We've got standard 3-way switch, 1 volume, 1 tone. The action is high again, but again it doesn't look as high as on that Strat. The neck's very straight, so it might want some relief putting in it. But let's give it a tune up, plug her in, see what she sounds like. I'm really impressed with that body, it looks fantastic. Neck pickup, I'm using the same patch on the Ampero one, it's just a clean patch, no effects. Other than slight reverb, that is. This neck definitely feels a little bit more comfortable down at the bottom here than the Strat. This one's slipping out of tune more. Pickups sound quite good again, that's the neck pickup. Middle position. That one sounds a little bit thinner. Then the bridge pickup. Yes, we've got some tuning problems with this one. Yeah, that high E is really slipping. It may be that it's not been put on right. Yeah, so I need to have a look at that. Hopefully I'll be able to sort those problems out. But we shall see. Because it'd be a pity if it doesn't stay in tune when it looks so nice. Because it really does look nice. I love the body on this thing, but we'll see how it fares after a setup So I'm going to go away and do some work on this. So that's all from me today. I'll be back with the strap when I've done some work on it, and I'll be back with this one when I've done some work on this, and we'll have another look at both of them and see how they're faring. I'll leave it a week or two, let the necks settle down a bit because they have travelled a long way, and we'll see what they're like in a week or two's time. Anyway, that's all from me today. Take care of yourselves. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, select all, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.